today, kalimutan muna natin yung anti-aging, yung whitening, and yung mga usual na kung ano-ano pang nilalagay natin sa face. Let's go back to basics. So today, I teamed up with Cetaphil to share with you yung 3 basic steps, skin commitments. Actually, yung isa, given na talaga yon, but yung dalawa, aminado ko, kahit ako, nakakalimutan ko. So marami tayong ina-apply sa face, marami tayong gustong mangyari sa skin natin. Hindi natin
ako alam ko na yung sagot eh. Ngayon, patunayan nyo yung mga sarili nyo na hindi kayo mga bobo.
Oo nga, patunayan nyo, hindi kayo bobo.
Look, alam nyo. So may time limit na kasi kami dito. Bawal na kami mag-ingay ng past 8. So anong oras na?
6 pa lang, 7.
7 ano?
Maaga pa dong.
Maaga pa. Pwede pa mag-ingay. 1, 2, 3, go! Hey! Ito, meron akong tatanungin kasi dito na ang makakasagot, basta may premyo.
Ano yun?
Basta, patunayan mo munang di ka bobo. Ngayon, kung alam mo yung sagot, sabihin mo sa akin.
Energy mo, God! So, umpisa na natin kay Zainab Harake. What's up, Sebis? Ayun. What's up, Sebis? Sino mo ko, GM? And again, and again. Ba't ka nanghira? What's up, Sebis?
What's up, mama?
Dance moves, like that. And he would guide me in developing my talent. Most of all, he supported me. Like I said, I was always a shy kid, but I got over that and danced my way through.
To all the kuyas and ates out there, you should all set a good example and have patience for the younger ones. They really look up to us, so take time to be there for them.
Agad yung girlfriend niya. It's not you, it's me. Bakit? Galing ko mag-basketball, nakana mo ang pakalit. Talang po. Maging mais, hindi.
5 minutes later.
Ayun, lag. Hello guys, sino na 5? Yan naman yung area picture papalit sa amin. Ito nga pala guys, makampi nila, layer nila Chang. Turkey. Wala!
She will be the one filming Niana looking for her phone and everything. That's gonna be crazy. Niana's not gonna expect that it's me because I'm gonna be sleeping here all day, and she would.
On your ass, home in the mirror, dip it like mozzarella sticks, open marinara. We gon'
Dip like a rocky side to side, shake it like a baby rattle. You know it's a hit. We riding Niana, elevado avocado, dipping on another level. I'm a boss, you can restaurants and Niana.
pumasok sa trabaho, sa school. Gusto natin magstay sa bahay. Ngayon namang naka-quarantine tayo, gusto naman natin lumabas, di ba? So at least, medyo naging busy ka. So bumaba na ako, uminom na ako ng aking apple cider. Kasi hindi ako nag-toothbrush, so at least hindi panis na lawa yung amoy ng hindi. Nakakapot naman. See? Pwede nang mag-asawa! Well, nagbihis ako kasi bored ako. Pero hindi pa rin ako naligo.
Today, we're gonna start off by learning physics. You guys know physics?
No!
Good, so this is the perfect opportunity for me to teach you physics. So I have an equation. Does anyone know what this formula is for? Stella.
Parabolic trajectory.
Parabolic trajectory is correct. We are learning about parabolic trajectory today, which is the flight of motion. You know what else has a flight of motion?
Alexa, swimming time.
Alexa,
Party time. Alexa, open blinds. Alexa, movie time. Okay. City of Cebu. It's actually my first time to go around. I've been here a couple of times for cosplay events and gaming events. And now I have a little bit of free time to go around. So, I decided to... Yung construction talaga. Alright, so I decided to visit the house of a really good friend of
Na with Daniel Marsh. Another day, another adventure. Today we're gonna do a motorcycle adventure. Basketball. Oh, look at those kids up.
Yeah, this is the right way, bro. Don't get too lost in there.
Potatoes are part of that elusive group of ingredients that seems so seemingly simple, but always tastes so much.
So this is exactly what you look for in a rosti. Nice crisp exterior, but at the same time really kind of like soft and chewy inside. But you want that golden crust, and you want that almost match-like consistency inside. It's so really stringy and nice.
There are tons of ways you can do it.
Hi mga BFS! Bili na natin si Mami kadalasan na ano niya mga prutas. So, at saka hindi naman to kongdo. So, kay Mami lang. So, kaya na yung tatlo mi, di ba?
Salamat.
So, ito yung apple. And then letter B.
Huawei number 1!
1, 2!
So, Mi, ito na ang iyong iPhone.
Nakarambo!
6. Mi, kompleto to na may headset ka and charger.
Tinatawagan na siya, naglalagay pa siya ng highlighter sa boobs niya. Ganito si Darna, kung naging makeup vlogger siya. Naglalagay siya ng mga highlighter sa boobs bago siya lumipad. Highlight to the gods. Lip gloss.
Ito na. Di ba na Mac Pro or iPhone 11? Level 5 at jackpot! Yan! Teka. Madali lang yan. Ayan na.
Hindi mo namang ginaya.
May balahibo. Kaya ba? Ibigay ang Mac Pro. Kaya. Bali si Bena po, hindi niya nagawa mga kasatsat.
Pag nagawa mo, bibilan mo ko ng Mac Pro kung mahal mo ko.
Dug sa inyo, isang simpleng merienda recipe na kayang-kaya ninyong gawin. At isa rin to sa mga paborito ko dahil napakadali lang gawin. Ang tawag dito ay buo pa rin yung maruya. And at this point ay ngayon, naprito na natin yung mga maruya. Ikukut lang natin ito ng extra na asukal.
Clea, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I'm white.
She wants to be white. Oh my god. It's a lion. Are those mammals? Yeah. Oh, change my answer. I don't know why. Oh my god. What about the one that lays eggs? Turtles. That's for sea. But they give birth on land, so. Sea, I would say.
Magandang araw po, Dr. Willie Ong to, pati Doc Lisa. Meron ako napakagandang tip para sa inyo. Ito po yung totoong lunas natin para sa diabetes, sa high blood, sa cholesterol at marami pang sakit. Diba? Alam natin, ako po bilang internist, cardiologist, halos lahat ng mga tableta, medisina, inaral ko. Pero kung talagang a-analyze mo, makikita mo, mas effective pala yung mga lifestyle.
We were able to find some alcohol for disinfecting.
Yeah, nice alcohol. No, I mean it's done like that. You know, you get these alcohols that have like flower scent. This is just extra.
see my wishes come true. I will introduce you to the friends I have here.
It's okay. So we're in a cactus slash succulent for another hour. Yep. Naka 20,000 steps din naman ako yesterday ayon kay Kuya Fitbit. So sana today
na naman ang music natin or yung salita natin. Yung mga iba kasi ako nakikitang YouTuber na mahina na nga yung boses nila tapos wala pang background music. So syempre yung iba dati kong video, sobrang fan ako ni Kong and halos parang nagagaya ko yung mga style niya kung paano siya magsalita. And ngayon naman, medyo naintindihan ko talaga na mali talaga kasi nga wala na akong sinasayang na oras. So that's the main point na dapat mag-video ka lang tapos after nun, malalaman mo yung mga bagay na kailangan mo i-improve.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are gonna be, drumroll please, we are gonna be going thrifting! I always like to we're gonna be taking some film pictures in this. Mumshi. In a cute way. Mumshi. 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 Baba Apple. What? Mumshi, I'm going down. Salamat Mumshi. I'm trying to put like sentences. Yeah, I see. I'm proud. Suave. 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 Suave means smooth. Suave. Suave.
What do I believe? What makes me feel it?
370. 370 Philippine pesos is not bad. Or cheap. Now you're not a swamp rat anymore. You're a rat.
Hey guys, it's Bam!
Hey guys, it's Bam!
Hey guys,
It's Bam!
Birthday to me and only me! Niloloko ko lang sarili ko. Sinushoot ko to ng April 10, hindi 11. Just YouTuber thing! Balita ko yung mga pinanganak ng April 11. Magagandang nilalang. Kaso sige. Handa ako. Niready ko na po yung alam. Mahilig po ako sa desserts. At mahilig ako gumawa ako sa birthday ko. Tapos nakita ko to.
magsimula na yan. Wala.
Ako kasi?
오늘은 오랜만에 필리핀 드링크스 먹어보겠습니다. 요거 para sa pamilya